In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Sheets cell. If you've ever had text spill over into neighboring cells or get cut off because a column is narrow, wrapping text is the quick fix that keeps everything readable without blowing up your layout. Let's walk through it together so your sheet looks clean and professional. First, open your Google Sheet. You can use the sample sheet linked in your notes or simply open any sheet where you have a column or two with long entries. When the sheet loads, take a second to notice how longer text either overflows into the next cell or is hidden behind the cell boundary. Wrapping will make that text stack neatly on multiple lines inside the same cell. Next, select the area you want to format. If you want to apply wrapping everywhere, click the small gray square at the very top left corner of the grid to highlight the entire sheet. If you only want a section wrapped, drag to select that specific range instead. Starting with a clear selection helps you apply the formatting exactly where you need it. Now look up to the menu bar and click Format. This menu holds most of the visual settings for your sheet, and we're going to use it to control how text behaves inside cells. From the Format menu, choose Wrapping. This opens a small set of options that tells Google Sheets how to display text that's longer than the cell's width. Click Wrap. As soon as you do, any long content in your selection will break onto new lines within the same cell. You'll see row heights adjust automatically to fit the wrapped text. For context, the other options are Overflow, which lets text run into the next empty cell, and Clip, which hides anything that doesn't fit. Wrap is the most readable choice when you want to keep columns narrow, but still show everything. To confirm it worked, click back on your selection to highlight it and glance at a cell with a long entry. You should see the content neatly stacked with natural line breaks. If a row still looks cramped, you can gently drag the row boundary to give it more space, or widen a column slightly for an even cleaner look. And here's a handy tip. Once you're comfortable with this, there's also a wrap icon on the toolbar that applies the same setting with a single click. That's it. Open your sheet, select your cells, go to Format, choose Wrapping, and click Wrap.